us from a distance.
Hey y'all, we're looking through in my camera, trying to see what they're talking about here. Okay, it comes with because that makes it easier for everything. In my camera. Okay. It's so cute. Okay.
This is the one that goes off?
It goes out.
Oh, side. Okay.
I decided to get the Sony, not the Canon, because I heard better things about this one. So,
Quality content coming.
So we're gonna be switching to this really soon. Period. Okay.
Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my airways. I can't blame you now.
Hey y'all, so I'm about to set up my camera. So this is gonna be one of my last videos on my phone. But yeah, I got the Sony ZV-1 camera. Very excited. I'm about to show y'all the new quality of my videos. So yeah.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm
So different. Period, 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 period.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Got a few niggas got it out for me. Tell me, baby, please lie for me. Keep the Glock 40.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to unbox some stuff that I bought. Yeah. Pretty little thing, and then Amazon.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Yeah, Britta is helping me with my feet. Period. We is about to be in New York styling and wowing.
Correct.
Hey y'all, so it's the day before my trip. Less than a day, honestly, because my flight is at 6:20 in the morning. But I just realized that
I left the wig that I wanted to wear at home.
and basically the only thing that I have here is either my headband wig or a frontal wig, and I've never done like a frontal wig from start to finish. I was preparing for it, but I didn't really realize it was gonna come this soon. So thankfully I have another wig that was gifted to me. So I'm going to have to do my wig from start to finish myself, and it's kind of too late for me to call anybody to help me. I'm a little nervous, y'all. Oh, but it's okay. We not gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna watch a whole bunch of videos, have a step-by-step list, and then we just gonna get into it. All right, y'all, so here's the wig that I have. So it literally honestly looks like my other wig. We gonna have to stay up as long as we need to until this looks as good as it's supposed to. So, but I'm about to braid my hair down, and I'm like also simultaneously watching a video on how to bleach my knots. So
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna.
So my hair is done, braided up. This is a really bad braid job, but it just needed to get done. So now I'm about to get into this wig. I'm waiting for my friend to drop off the brush that I need to do the dyeing process. So we're gonna pray for the best. Hey y'all, so I'm about to try to attempt to do my lashes. I'm going to be using this that I got off Amazon. Everything I got here is off Amazon. Lash glue, gel remover, or lash remover in case I am not feeling it. And I also got this like fan to help the drying process. So I'm about to get into that. But I'm gonna test this out. If I'm not feeling the lengths though, I'm just gonna stop and just use some strips, honestly, 'cause it's not even like I have that much time. But since I'm waiting for my friend to come through with the stuff I need to do my wig, I was like, I might as well. Alright, this is what we're looking like starting off. So I'm gonna wash my face, my lashes, to make sure that I'm starting with a really clean base. And then we're gonna get into it. Okay, y'all. It's coming through, y'all. It's giving professional. Hey y'all, so I had to take a little break on the lashes, but I'm almost, like, I finished this eye and I think it looks really good. So I'm about to finish the other eye and then get on my hair, and then we'll be on our way. I'm like wrapping up my packing and everything, so things are coming together, but I'm kind of in a rush because I have a staff meeting. So
later that same evening.
hey y'all, hey. Gang with me. You're going to New York in the morning. So yeah, I finished my lashes. I didn't really show y'all, but it's okay. But yeah, they just came to pick up some things. Our flight, we're leaving for the airport at,
We are leaving here at 4 a.m.
Welcome to New
We are riding to our former boss's house here. Gotta be punctual.
yeah.
Timeliness
one.
is an issue in this group. Not with me. Ooh, with this one. So we gonna see, but
Later that
worst comes to
same
worst, I'm gonna be on an
evening,
Uber.
too.
I'm gonna be at my flight.
I'm gonna be on time. I'm good with
Let me see
flights.
For the Chapel Hill people, we don't really mess with Noir. We don't really do
Nail bar. Noir nail bar.
They're not,
Don't go there.
They're not all there. Good.
I did like my nails last
Yeah.
time. Don't go to him for like elaborate designs that
This
only a
is
nail
so
tech can do.
cute.
Keep
You
it in
wanna
the
take
family.
that?
Keep it in the family.
I have to, but I'm gonna do my wig, and then that's gonna be like the last part of this video, and then of course we're gonna move into like the actual New York vlog. Ah!
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. When
Alright, so I have my wig. He's developing, so yeah.
it got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go or do I keep you in the
Yeah, I'm really getting wigged up, bro. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's just the way this process would have took me literally 45 minutes had I had my other wig. Oh, Lord.
what went wrong? I finally found the wrong.
Oh, Lord. I should have checked it. She said check it. Check it. I did not check it. Whatever. It's okay, because I'm not even going to wear it like that. It don't even matter. Alright, progress is underway, y'all. Dried the wig. Bleached the knots. Kind of over bleached, but that's a little easy fix. With some makeup. So, yes, it is currently 12:14 a.m. Gotta be up and out by 4 a.m. So, we love no sleep, but it's cool. We gonna be slayed. Period.
Now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing's
Hey y'all, so it's like, I don't even know what time it is. 1:48 in the morning, almost kind of done. I don't know, y'all. I'm just really praying that my lace don't lace, you know? It gives more of an HD feel. So this is how it's coming. This is how it's looking. I'm just so tired. I'm about to start cleaning up the horrible, horrible mess I made in this bathroom in the room. I'm gonna finish packing and then I'm about to go to sleep. Yeah, this vlog kind of took a twist with my whole hair malfunction, but like it kind of still worked out anyway. Like thank God I had an extra wig, or I even have 2 extra wigs, and I'm probably gonna bring the other one in case I need to do a little switch out. So I have to leave for my flight in literally 2 hours.
Your flight?
To New York.
Oh, she's out here.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep, tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away.
Alright, hey y'all, so I just finished putting the finishing touches on my lashes, and I think that they look so good. Excuse the hair, because you know we working on that, but it looks really, really good.
Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my airways. I can't blame you, no.
Hey y'all, so I was supposed to be ending this vlog off with me going to sleep, you know, before my trip, but I'm actually about to head to the airport. So I'm gonna end this video off my little get ready with me for New York. The lashes are done, the hair is pretty much done, but of course, you know, we gotta do it up when we get there. And then the nails are done, cameras bought. What else did I do? Everything's good. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow all of my socials, and I will see y'all in the New York vlog.